Hello friends, in this video I'm going to talk about a very good and very efficient day trading strategy. This can be a scalping strategy as well if you trade in a very short time frame. This trading strategy is applicable to any of the market. I call it mother candle strategy. You may be thinking, what is mother candle? So let me explain you mother candle. Suppose there is a very good big candle. I, I don't mind whether it is a bullish candle or a bearish candle. That does not make any sense. This can be a bullish or bearish as well. Right now it is a bearish candle. Okay. Now the next candle is a slightly bullish candle. So this is a blue candle, and here you can see that the high and the low of this bullish candle is completely inside the low and high of this previous candle. So here you can see that the high and the low, which is completely involving the next candle. So here in this case this becomes a very good mother candle, and this becomes a child candle or son candle or sister candle. You can call any of these three. Suppose this candle might not be like this. It might be like suppose it had been like this. Yes. So here you can see that the high is inside the high of previous candle, but this low is not inside the high and low of the previous candle. So in this case this is not a this is not a very good mother and child candle combination. So for mother candle and child candle there should be a mother child combination. Let me explain in the chart. Here you can see a very good bullish candle, and the next candle is very small, very tiny. The high and low of this candle is completely inside the high and the low of previous candle. So in this case this is mother candle and this is a daughter candle. Just after identifying mother and the daughter, the first thing that we'll have to do is to mark the high and the low of mother candle. So let us mark the high of mother candle and low of this mother candle. Okay. Now second thing, after this we will wait until the next candle completes or breaks the high and the low of mother candle and it closes above or below it. So the close is more important. Many times people do that, it just as soon as the mother daughter candle combination is identified, they suddenly enter the limit 1 to 2 ticks above the high of mother candle, and the next candle will make the high of only 1 to 2 ticks, and the market will go in the opposite direction. But here I would recommend you to not to be in hurry and wait until the next bar or the next two, after 2 or 3 bars, let it close above or below the high and low of this mother candle. So here you can see that this at this bar it has closed above the high of this mother candle. Okay. So the third thing that we'll have to do is to mark or to get the number of pips of mother candle. So here you can see the high and the low of this mother candle involves 20 pips. Okay. So we will enter at after the close of this candle at around 1.6192. I would recommend you to go for 1 gem 1 risk reward ratio. So our take profit level and our stop loss both will be 20 pips. So stop loss will be around 20 pips, so that will be of 1.6173, and our target will be of 20 pips, so that will be 1.6213. Yes, so in this case our target gets achieved. Let me give you another example. Yes, here it is another example. Here you can see this is a very big candle, and this candle is completely inside of this candle. The high and the low of this candle is inside this candle. So let us mark the high and low of the mother candle. So we will wait until the close gets higher than or lower than the mother candle. Okay, so here in this case, yes, here you can see that the close it closes below the low of mother candle, so we are going to short here. So it closes above the high, or above the high of the mother candle, then we are going to buy, and if closes below it, so we are going to short. So here we will measure the high and the low, so that are around 14 pips high and low of mother candle. So will short here. Our stop loss will be 14 pips, so in this case our stop loss will be around 1.6225, and our target will be of 14 pips. So here you can see that our target gets achieved. So this is a very good mother candle strategy. This is very efficient. It is applicable to any time frame. If you want to know more about it, or you can want to know another very good trading system or trading strategy, then you can go to my blog, which is fxmovers trading systems.blogspot.com. So at that blog you'll get very good different kind of trading strategies that I use, and one I personally recommend is a very efficient day trading strategy that is there on my blog. My blog is fxmoverstradingsystems.blogspot.com. So here there is another very good trading system in which I am using more than one indicator to buy and sell. Here you can see that this is that complete system, but unfortunately I have not kept this trading system free because it requires more I have spent more than 1 year for identifying or making this template. If you want to more about it, then you can go to my blog. In my blog I have kept more than 500 free indicators, free books, free trading system sums, then this most efficient trading system that I personally use, then a free economic calendar, live commodity rates, world indices, leading stock rates, calculators, different flash charts as well. So these all are free stuffs. Only one thing that is not free, that is my favorite efficient trading system. So I hope you love this video and you have learned something out of it. If you want to mail me, then you can have my mail ID. You can have it in my description also. My mail ID is fxmovers@gmail.com. I hope you love this video and you enjoyed somewhat. Thanks a lot.